If you're interested in over 8,000 square feet that is currently used as a restaurant, bar and grill, entertainment space, then this is for you. We're located at 35 Main Street in Westhope, North Dakota. Now there's plenty of updates and improvements I can't wait to show you, which includes a 4,500 square foot addition added on in 2021. But before we look at that side of the building, we're gonna look at the cafe and bakery side first. So let's go on inside. Now, this is the cafe side of the building. As you can see, beautiful hardwood floors, coolers, and enough seating to have a diner, maybe a coffee shop. However someone wants to use this space for, there's plenty of ideas and opportunities. Now this addition has so much space and it's beautifully done, it has heating, cooling, a lot of tables and chairs for many people to come in here and have various sorts of events. You can have a band back here in the corner. And along this way, there's also a bar that we'll look at. We've got a huge bar area with lots and lots of space, lots of countertop space, coolers, all sorts of room that you would need for events. Now this area is perfect for bands. We have soundproof walls, a really nice setup. Going over the overview again of this layout, perfect for bands and entertainment. Karaoke, live music, whatever that you want to plan for the stage, there's plenty of great ideas. Now before we go outside and look at the patio, we're gonna go check out the last area in this edition. It's a golf simulator, so this is gonna be great. Can't wait to show you guys. This room is currently used as a golf simulator and it's turnkey opportunities for another revenue stream. We have the golf simulator right here, little putting green, and all in all, a very awesome addition that also has heating and cooling, perfect for year-round activities and turnkey. Now let's exit the golf simulator room and go check out the outside patio next. Now outside we have a beautiful fenced in outside patio, and if we continue on this way, you'll notice there's a whole lot of extra room over here as cold storage to store a lot of items. Now let's continue on and check out the rest of the building. Now as we continue on this way, we have another bar area and a lot of more space to seat more guests, and around the corner I'm going to show you a gaming area as well. Now let's continue on past the barn doors and look at this gaming area. Now we have e-ticket machines, a shuffleboard, and if we go around the corner here, we also have touch tunes, and around this way, a dartboard and various other gamings, and a claw machine. So all in all, a lot of opportunities and ideas for a gaming room. Now in here is the storage room, and you can see lots of room to store various sorts of drinks. So all in all, a huge and big storage area. Now after checking out everything that this building has to offer, there's so many ideas and possibilities that people can make income streams from, whether it's a golf simulator, bingo nights, having bands, maybe graduations. There's so many ideas for somebody that wants to operate and run a business that I think with 8,500 square feet for a commercial building, it's hard to pass up if you're looking to start a business or expand to new ventures. If you have any questions or want to learn more about the property, the link is in the description below. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye.